A very good morning to all of you, to my dear little students and parents. This is Amruta Michael, your nursery teacher. Our today's topic is fine motor skills. Now, what is fine motor skills? The fine motor skills involve the uses of small muscles which controls our hand, our fingers and our thumb. Fine motor skill will develop as your child grows. Now let's understand how does fine motor skill help your children. It helps your children to perform crucial tasks like holding, catching, grasping something, pushing an object, and many more activities. Through fine motor skill development, the child learns to use the tools like crayons, pencil, chalk, scissors. The child's hand-eye coordination improves as the fine motor skills improves. Fine motor skills helps the child to learn and develop writing and drawing skills as well. And there are many more things which will help your child when his fine motor skills are very well developed. Now today, let us do few activities which are related to fine motor skills. But this activities has to be done under your guidance. The child cannot do it alone. You have to help your child, guide your child throughout this activity. Let's begin. The first activity for your child to improve his grip on the fingers is scribbling. The maximum your child does scribbling, it will help him to improve his grip. Scribbling is very important for the kindergarten and nursery kids. Now you have to note that when your child is holding a crayon, he has to use his three fingers, the thumb, index and the tall finger. The grip of these three fingers should be very strong enough. This way. I have seen many children, they hold the pencil with all the fingers. Some hold it in this manner. Some are using some other ways to hold it around the tip, which are not correct. So please monitor at home that your child holds the crayon properly. Give him a fat wax crayon, which is very useful. Give him a very fat wax crayons and try. Initially he might use all his fingers, it's okay. Later on, try that he gives the grip on the three little fingers. And do ample scribbling at home. This will really help to improve the grip of the child. Now my next activity is of a paper. At home, you can take a piece of newspaper. And what you all have to do, you all have to tear the newspaper in strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tear as many strips you all want. After the strips, you all have to give your child at least 3 strips in the hand. 1, 2, 3. And your child has to fold the strips only with the help of the fingers. He will not use his all hand and just rotate it and all. You try to make him understand that he has to use only his fingers. With the help of the fingers, he is going to press this newspaper strips into a ball. Initially, he will use all his fingers, but the main purpose of this activity is to use these 3 fingers, the thumb, index and the tall finger. He has to use these 3 fingers and make a ball out of it. This is the activity. So, I want the children to practice this activity. This is really very helpful for the children. So, parents, please try to do this activity at home. In my next activity, I have taken 2 bowls. Here. As you can see in the screen. Now in this bowl, in this green color bowl, I have put this pom-poms. These are called pom-poms, soft pom-poms. If you don't have pom-poms at home, you all can use cotton. You all can make cotton balls and use at home. Now, I have a peg. Now I'm going to use this peg to lift one pom-pom and put it in the other bowl. Now in this activity also, your child has to utilize these 3 fingers. Initially, if your child wants to use all the fingers, allow him to do it because they are very small. Later on, see that they use only these 3 fingers. Now with the help of the peg, I will hold the pom-pom and release it in the second bowl. I'll hold the pom-pom and release it in the second bowl. Hold the pom-pom and release it. This is the activity which has to be done by the kid at home. Now, in the next activity, I have drawn an object. This is a sun. You can draw any object for your child. You can draw a star, a moon, a circle, a square. Any object you all can draw. Then I have taken some stickers. And you have to make your child understand that this is an object. And this is the empty space where he is going to place these stickers. So he has to remove the stickers and place it. While placing the sticker, after placing it, you have to tell your child to press the sticker with the finger. Remove the next one, place it, and press the sticker with your finger. He can press the index finger or he can press the tall finger. This way, he can complete this activity. If you don't have stickers at home, you all can use bindis, the big bindis which we get in the market. That is also very nice. So this helps the child in peeling as well as sticking as well as pressing. So this is the way it is done. I hope you enjoyed all the activities. As you all will find many activities on YouTube and other links. Yes, there are many activities related to fine motor development skills. But as a teacher, I request you all, when you are selecting the activities, select 3 activities and continue that 3 activities for at least 1 week. Let the child get used to that activities. Then you select a set of new activities for the second week. This way you can keep on changing the activities. As I know the small kids, you cannot do the same thing again and again. They will get bored. So you can keep on changing the activities, but give them time. Give them time for a particular activity as well. So these were few activities which I have taught you, which will help to improve the fine motor skill of your child. So I hope you all liked all the activities and do practice with your children. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe, and meet you in the next class. Till then, bye. Bye all of you.